Hey ladies, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and not at all. Shit! Y'all already know what today is. Today is ESS Day, and Erotic Sensual Seductive Day. Dance day. You know what I'm saying? Demonstration. So I'm gonna continue what I did last week. It's some booty work, but instead, like, it's more like a exercise. Like, like I was explaining to somebody recently, like, twerking is a good way, to get them legs like intact. And also, the stronger your legs is, the better balance and control you have when you walk in heels. So let's just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna turn, my back will be to you, and I'm gonna be in a squat position and come up. We're gonna be doing some shit. So just follow along. So here we go. Hey, tap 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 in. So be here, bring your knees, side. Let your hips go side to side. Booty round. Up, 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 round. Up, 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 side. Side. Mind, see you still in the squat? So you think my thighs is definitely getting worked out. Round. We're gonna go round. So, I don't have my hands on my knees, I'm just in a sitting position. Booty going around. There up. Booty in. You squeeze it. Squeeze, run right. Other cheek. Both. We're gonna go down. Around. Come up, hands up. Hey. Round. Right, left. Right, left. Up, 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 up. Round. Right, left. But your hips is like swaying in this one. Up. In. Both booty, both cheeks coming. One. Outside. And going down. Tap in. And push. Down. Booty going down. Booty up. Side, side. Side, side. And. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. So look, ladies, I want y'all to try that out. It's a good way to keep get your legs in great shape and all that little shit. And it's just a good workout. And also with the booty things like this, and when you like, this is a good thing that you can do. Like if you and your man, y'all at the club or y'all at the supermarket, you just press up against him and just like, and get that thing nice and hard. Y'all go home and have wonderful sex. You know what I'm saying? Just like to be discreet about it. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all just together, you just like on top of him, just present. So try that out. And also for my ladies, for my sisters, this is for my sisters only. I'm having my Seductive Art workshop since COVID, and it's April 30th. You can go to my website, which is www.seductive-art.com. You can click on upcoming events, and there's a link there that'll take you right. You can purchase your tickets. I slashed the tickets from $50 to 80% or $20. They're only $20, but the seats are limited. We're going to have conversations about sex and human sexualities from our perspective. We're going to share. There's going to be visual stimulation. We're going to talk about fashion and all that, and also the attitude and the personality that goes with whatever outfit that you're wearing, and how to keep that the same energy throughout your whole sexual experience. Then we're gonna have conversation. We're gonna share stories. We're gonna share our experiences. I'm gonna give my expert advice. And we're going to share the good, the bad, the sad. And it's all our perspective. We're going to be in a safe space, no judgment, but we're gonna be uncut and raw, black women talking our talk about with sex and how that shit means to us and how it affects us and just us. And then we're gonna put on our heels, these, hey, and we're gonna get it popping. We're gonna get sexy. You getting all that for $20. And there's gonna be like I'm gonna have wine, cocktails, it's like hors d'oeuvres, darling. It's gonna be a very sophisticated event. Ladies only. You cannot. Don't come with your cousin. Your cousin ain't about no motherfucker. Your cousin can't get in. So it's just what whoever purchases tickets, the tickets are limited. So go over there to my website, which is www.seductive-art.com and get your tickets. I'd like to say thank y'all so much. You already know how we do. If I resonate with you, please hit that, click that. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. That would be great. I would appreciate it. All you can do is click that shit. How hard is that? Like, are you fucking kidding me? But anyway, and also, you already know how we end this shit. Be kind, be generous, be productive, be motivated, be on point, be on time, be positive, be about love, be about black love, be about your motherfucking money. Be knowing when, like, yeah, I said that shit. Be knowing when there's some fuck ass motherfuckers around you, you gotta eliminate them out your life in 0.2 seconds. Be on time. Be focused. Be a good lover, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, cousin, brother, sister. Be great at what you do. Be positive. Be aggressive. Be a part of the solution. Be a part of your community. Be opinionated. But most motherfucking importantly, out of all that shit, whatever applies to you, what applies to you. But most importantly, bitch, be